Hello, students. Welcome to Daily English Homework. Let's take a look at the homework. It says, write two sentences using any more as two words, and write two sentences using any more as one word. And you're thinking right now, Robin, what's the difference between any more and any more? There's a big difference, and I will explain in this video. Can be confusing, and it is confusing to English native speakers also, but I will teach it. I will explain it. Don't worry. So watch the video and do the homework. And when you do the homework, please check your grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Make sure you give the teacher good quality homework. Post your homework in the comment section below this video. I will try to check it. And of course, now you can become a channel member to get detailed homework feedback. So think about that also. That is all in the information is all below, links are below, and post your homework below this video. Let's get into the lesson. Any more as two words. So any more as two words, it's used to indicate, to show a quantity or an amount. Okay, that's very important, and that's an easy way to remember this. Any more, there's two words, so it's talking, think of that, two. One, two, it's talking about a quantity or an amount. So let's look at our example sentence. I don't have any more money to spend. Okay, so we have money, a quantity of money. I'm spending that money. I do not have more of that money. I do not have more. The amount, there's no more to give of that money. So I don't have any more money to spend. So keep that in mind. I'm going to give more examples in a moment. Let's look at any more as one word. Is used to indicate, to show a change in a situation. Okay, so it says our example sentence, I don't enjoy watching movies anymore. All right, so I used to enjoy watching movies, but there was a change in the situation. I don't enjoy watching movies anymore. All right, so anymore is two words and anymore is one word. There's a big difference in their meaning. So let's look at some more examples. Let's look at these two. Now, if I use the sentence, the expression, I can't eat any more pizza. Okay, it's talking about quantity. I see any more as two words. So I'm eating pizza. I'm eating an amount of pizza, one slice of pizza, two slices of pizza. I'm full. I cannot have more. I cannot eat any more. No more amount or quantity for me. I'm finished. So that's about quantity. Now, the second sentence, I don't eat pizza anymore. All right. So this is the change in my lifestyle or my eating habits. This is a big change. So maybe I used to eat pizza, but now I changed because I'm getting a little fat. I don't eat pizza anymore. Okay, that's the change in the situation. That's one word. All right, another couple examples here. I don't have any more time to work on this project. I'm working on a project. I don't have any more. I don't have any amount of time. There's not enough time. It's over. So I have to stop. So that's talking about quantity. The second sentence, I don't work on this project anymore. Okay, so I used to work on the project. I don't work on that project anymore. There was a change in the situation. But if I'm talking about time, an amount of time, look at number one again. I don't have any more time, amount of time. All right, and let's look at the last two examples here. A student or a teacher might ask the student, do you have any more questions? So the students are asking a quantity or an amount of questions. They're asking one question, two questions, three questions. They stopped, and I'm asking, do you have any more additional questions? And the teacher might say, I don't want to answer questions anymore. I want to change this situation. I was answering questions, but I changed. I don't want to answer any more questions. I don't want to answer questions anymore. Change the situation. I want to do something else. Okay, so hopefully you have a better understanding of when to use these. So remember, anymore, it's two words. So think of that when you're talking about an amount of something, food or time, and anymore as one word, big change in the situation. All right, so again, your homework, you got to write two sentences using anymore as two words, and you got to write two sentences using anymore as one word. Post it below. I will check it. So that's the lesson. Please do your homework.